Learn colors with monster truck racing for toddlers. Here are 15 paragraphs expanding on the concept of a YouTube channel focused on teaching colors, shapes, and numbers to children using wooden truck toys and tiny trucks. One introduction. This YouTube channel is designed to be an engaging and entertaining learning experience for young children. We believe that learning should be fun, and that's why we've chosen to incorporate vibrant wooden truck toys and tiny trucks into our educational cartoons. To learning colors, each episode will feature a different color. We'll use a variety of colorful trucks, such as a red fire truck, a yellow school bus, a blue police car, and a green garbage truck. We'll sing catchy songs about each color and point out colorful objects in the environment. Learning shapes. We'll introduce basic shapes like circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. We'll use trucks with different shaped wheels, tires, and windows to illustrate these shapes. We'll also use simple animations to show how different shapes fit together. For learning numbers. We'll teach children to count from 1 to 10 using a series of engaging activities. We'll use a group of trucks, such as 1 fire truck, 2 police cars, 3 garbage trucks, and so on, to visually represent the numbers. Interactive elements. To keep children engaged, we'll include interactive elements in our cartoons. We'll ask simple questions like, what color is the fire truck? Or how many trucks are there? And encourage children to answer along with the characters. 6. Engaging storytelling. Each episode will feature a simple and engaging storyline. The trucks may go on a rescue mission, deliver packages, or compete in a friendly race. These storylines will help to capture children's attention and make learning more enjoyable. High-quality animation. We'll use bright, colorful, and eye-catching animation to make our cartoons visually appealing to young children. We'll use simple and engaging visuals that are easy for children to understand. Background music and sound effects. We'll incorporate catchy and upbeat background music to create a fun and energetic learning environment. We'll also use realistic sound effects, such as the sound of a siren or a horn, to enhance the viewing experience. 9 short and sweet episodes. Each episode will be short and concise, typically lasting between 2 to 5 minutes. This will help to maintain children's attention spans and prevent them from becoming bored. Educational value. Our primary goal is to provide children with a fun and engaging learning experience. We believe that by incorporating educational content into our cartoons, we can help children develop important cognitive skills such as color recognition, shape identification, and number counting. 11. Parent involvement. We encourage parents to watch our cartoons with their children and engage in discussions about what they've learned. Parents can ask questions, point out interesting details, and help their children to apply the concepts learned in the cartoons to real-life situations. Positive reinforcement. Throughout each episode, we'll use positive reinforcement to encourage children's learning. We'll praise the characters for their efforts and celebrate their successes. Diverse representation. We'll strive to create a diverse and inclusive environment in our cartoons. We'll feature characters of different genders, ethnicities, and abilities to promote understanding and acceptance. Creating a learning community. We'll encourage viewers to interact with our channel through comments and social media. We'll respond to comments and answer questions from viewers, creating a sense of community and engagement. Continuous improvement. We'll constantly strive to improve our content based on viewer feedback. We'll regularly review comments and ratings to identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to our content accordingly. By following these principles, we believe that our YouTube channel can be a valuable resource for parents and educators who are looking for fun and engaging ways to teach young children about colors, shapes, and numbers. Please share and subscribe so we